everyone. We are CEO Trades, where money works for you. And today is July 20th. It's 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are going to take a look at what is going on in stocks and crypto. How can I invest in a fashion that will benefit me and not just everybody else? Right? So let's take a look at this quickly. AMC is the one stock that's moving in the overall stock market. AMC, it has at least 90 million shares traded, and you can see it's gone up from yesterday where it was at 31 till now it's at 38. It was earlier at 39, and I had alerted that earlier there, but it's receding a little bit here. It's at least 25-30% gains there for some of you. Congratulations on that stock there. What else is moving here? Let's see. Let's take a look. I like for the long term, I like NEO. NEO is great for the long term. It is now valued at 43. It was yesterday at 40. It's gone up about 8% or so, and it's has had a little consolidation right in here. It's not accurate consolidation, but that's where it's holding at right now. This is a good long-term hold until it reaches at least 60 or even 100. I would say this is a very, very good hold for those of you looking to park your money and watch it grow within time. Plug is another long-term hold for me, although right now their hydrogen process is getting more and more competition, but they have some of the major players underneath them. They have contracts with Amazon and Walmart and a couple of other players out there. And I like this stock for the long term. It's right now it's at 26. It used to be at 74, 75. It's going to get back up there by the time December comes around. Just wait and see. These are the two that I'm watching today. This CYTK, I had alerted earlier, the start of, I think it was last week, I believe. But yesterday, you can see it made the move from Friday to yesterday morning. I alerted this as well. And it was on Friday, it was at $19 a share. It went up to 31, and it's consolidating in this area right here between 25 and 30-ish right here. Is it going to continue to go up? I don't think so. I think it's just going to break down from here on, because once it tests it again a second time, it usually breaks down. I don't think that the volume has picked up enough like it did up here. You can see all these blue lines down here. That just means the volume, and it's less volume right here. So it's holding. Just the same amount of people buying as the same amount of people selling. That's all it means. Now let's take a look at the crypto markets and what is happening. Let me share my screen so that we can see that clearly here. Where are we? Here we go. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is at 29,688. What news is out there on Bitcoin? After pocketing 1 billion off, Bitcoin roofer describes it as a risky speculative asset. After he's made 1 billion, who wouldn't say it's a risky asset? Well, he cashed out and he could jump right back in and make some more. Why not? Delta variant fears drag global stock markets down as Bitcoin slips. People are fearful. No matter what they say, the stock market is going to go down. It's going to crash. The crypto industry is going to crash. Right now, people are fearful about Bitcoin. They're selling. Why is this happening? Why? Well, let's take a look at a few more headlines here. Is Bitcoin stock to flow S2F model heading for a failure? Is that it for Bitcoin, or is there still a Houdini to come? This is not it for Bitcoin. People are fearful because they don't see returns. They think it's instant profits. They think it's very easy. This is the reality. The majority of the time, a lot of these investments are under. They're not up where you want them to be. That's just the reality. Many of you who are new to the game, who believe that they're just going to come in here and make returns by next week, it depends. It depends on the moment that you're coming in. Why do I say this? Well, there's other information in reference to Bitcoin as well. Number one, the mining has decreased, and the mining amount has gone down to pretty much what it was before January of 2021. But nonetheless, on average, miners are making 33 million in total profits, in total, all the miners together. That's right. 33 million is not a bad amount of money. Another thing that's affecting Bitcoin is that Grayscale has released 41,000 coins, Bitcoins, into the market. And I believe today and tomorrow is probably the last day, last release of these coins, and that is also affecting the price. Will Bitcoin go down any further? It probably will go to 27. Some people are saying it will go down to 25, 24. There's an important conference tomorrow where a lot of key players will be speaking, and guess what? There's a good chance that they could move the coin industry, the crypto industry, in a positive direction. Wouldn't you like that? I'm certain we would all like that. There's a possibility. We don't know if it's going to happen, but there is a good possibility that can happen. Let's take a look at some of the coins that I follow on a regular basis. Here's EOS is at down to $3.26. I think that although these coins are down, there's a few ways to look at this. Number one, you can look at it from a pessimistic view, and that's what most people do. That's called fear, right? Fear selling, fear getting out of what looks to be like a loss. Here's Bitcoin. It's at 29,006 right now. Will it go down any further? I'd say it's probably going to go to 27. That's what I said earlier. And there are other experts saying it's going to go down to 23 to 25. Ethereum is at 1,780. That's what I said I would jump in to invest in this coin a bit further. ADA Cardano, it's at $1.06. Great buys, great buys. Tron case, Tron is at 5 cents right now. I bought at 5.056 cents a share. I believe it was last week. Dogecoin is down to 17 cents a share. It's going to go down to at least 15, 16 if I had to guess. But even now, it's a good time for me to jump in and to take a look at this. Polygon Matic is at 70 cents a coin. This is also good for the long term. And one other one that we can look at here is BAT, the Basic Attention Token, which is for the Brave browser. These are all my investments for long term. I have a few others. I have some that are more riskier than these, but these are much safer. And that's why I show them to you so that you could see some of my own investments. I have Pancake Swap here, but I don't think I'm going to be able to see much on it because I haven't entered into this software lately. I need to connect and I need to see what's going on and so on. And in reference to investing, Pancake Swap is a software that's worthwhile to look at. Is Pancake Swap V1 is no longer supported. That's what happens there. Let me just change this screen so I can share one last piece of information I want to share with you. Let's see it in here. Where are we? Oh, it was here. Hold on. Sorry. It was up here. Here we go. Now, looking at cryptocurrencies, what is moving in cryptocurrencies? Here is what's moving. I'll show you in a moment as the screen refreshes here. Give it a second. Here we go. What's moving right now? Quant, QNT. It's at $73 a share. It's up 10%. FTX token, FTT, $26 a coin, 5%, almost 6% up. These are some of the coins that are up. Do I invest in all of these? No, I don't invest in all of these. I like the major ones. I like the ones that have set the standard and the tone, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few of the ones that I just mentioned. All of the ones that I just mentioned are the ones that I like. These are some of the ones that are losing right now. The highest loss on this site that is being shown here is Revain, REV, 18% down. It's at 0.005%. Is it a good investment? I don't know. Let's just take a look at this one right here, how I would speculate this, but this is not the way that I would totally make the information, but we can gather some information from here as this comes up. Rev, the live Revain price is 0.0056. It's had $3 million in trades, 18% is down 18% in the last 24 hours. It's ranked number 96 with a live cap of 483 million. That's not bad. I don't know. What is Rave? Social Revain price estimates. This features in beta testing. All right. Gives you some estimates on pricing here as well to see if it's going to go up in the next month or in next 2 weeks, actually. This is where it's being traded on KuCoin, Bittrex, Probit, BitTEX Live, and Crex24. This is where most of those transactions are being traded for Revain. So that's it for today. If you're looking to make some profitable gains, Why don't you invest in your knowledge account so that your bank account grows multiplied? That's just a reality. This is CEO Trades, where money works for you. Until tomorrow, have a great one.